We are all gathered here for a reason. We need protection in this forest. So, we need to choose a new king.
I think
you can shut your mouth.
if I come there, I stamp you under my feet. Hail the new king! Hail the new king! Hail the new king!
O great king, the people in our forest are selecting a new king.
What? Is it true?
Yes, my lord. They have made the monkey as the king.
Hey monkey, get up!
Why are you shouting? What do you want?
Call yourself the king? What balls you have?
Oh, that one is your problem?
What are you giggling about, huh? Come fight with me. If you manage to defeat me, then you can call yourself the king.